beat you up, shit, go handle that business, bro. Ah. Come on. Yeah, show him what it up. Okay. For real. Okay. 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 Damn. Hold up. Before we leave, man, I'm gonna need my fade, though. Definitely, I'm gonna need my fade, bro. I've been waiting for a fade, bro. I've been waiting for one. Alright. Ready? Let me know when you're ready, bro. Okay. I'm telling you that. Where's them hands? Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm not even gonna hit you. Where's them hands, bro? Where's them hands, bro? Okay. What up? What you need, bro? I got you. Alright. But I use Twitch for whenever I'm in. Minus, where are you? Which one's you, Minus? Minus, which one's you, Minus? Minus, which one's you, Minus? Go. Come on, drive, bro. Yeah, come on, bro.
Money bag, money making hits.
Go. Oh, he's slipping out. Go. Take left. Gotta go to the cars. You're gonna have to go to the cars. Mike is not gonna let you go, bro. I'm telling you, Mike is a driver. He's my moderator. Oh my god, come on, bro. Go. Oh my god, no. No way you just did that.
Money making hits.
Bro, what do you mean where y'all going? There's no car? No car. I can't drive these people. Where are you, bro?
Come on. Go. Pick us up.
Come on, bro.
Go. Come on.
Get in.
Go right. Oh, go. Left.
I
got you.
You gotta drop me at the goal, remember?
Go straight ahead. Straight.
You better know how to drive or something. Okay, they're gonna kill our asses.
Oh man! Yo, go!
We fucked up already.
Come on. Go! I fucked up.
Why'd you do that, man?
I didn't mean to.
Yo, I got 2 on me right now, bro.
Hey, we gotta go. Hey, Zo, we can split this guy. Hey, I'm gonna steal this car right here.
I'm the ladder, bro.
Hey, it's okay. Just keep running. Go! Yes, I got it. I got the car. Keep running, bro. Come.
Yo, I'm gonna jump off this roof. I'm gonna jump off this roof. I got a parachute on me. I got a parachute. Oh shit, I got a parachute, yo.
We just gotta, I think, a woman. Women don't know how to drive. That's a good thing.
Bro, I jumped.
And a helicopter. It's okay. We just need to jump in the water, and I'm gonna kill the woman. I think. I don't know who it is.
Oh, y'all still
Yeah, we're going to the pier right now.
Y'all still in location?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, meet me at the what's the name?
Yeah, we got it. Hey, little bro, you gotta guide me, bro.
In the
You gotta
beach,
guide
we
me,
can
bro.
meet up, I think.
You gotta guide me, bro. White gamer, you gotta guide me, bro.
Yeah, go. Keep going front. Yeah, you can do that also. It's like right there. Right?
Got you.
Fuck no, not it's two.
It's two?
Right.
Oh, I got him. We good. You ready for this? We hopping out right now. 3,
Okay.
2, 3,
It's over here.
2, 1. Go.
Y'all, meet me at the what's the name? You know
Oh,
meet me at,
why
right?
am I in the water? Let me get in. Bro, let me get in. Alright, go. Go.
Yo, I'm finna be there in a little bit. All right, meet me there.
Alright.
Where the fuck is he?
I'm at the place. I'm there.
Bro, he's
wait,
at,
jet skis at?
Yep. Let's go. We gotta go, bro. Good shit, man.
Bro,
We almost got this
we
done.
did it wrong, but
We
I
got the
think it
heli
turned
on
out
us,
good.
bro. We got the
Turned
heli
out
on us
better
still.
than I thought. I'm gonna try to shoot out that helicopter. No, I think
Nah,
that's one.
don't even
It
shoot.
has guns.
Don't even shoot, cause they can't say we shot at them, unless you did. I didn't shoot at no
Y'all
cop,
there?
bro.
Come on this
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
Come around.
On the right side.
I'm
Go
on
more
I'm on
to
the other side.
beach.
I'm on the other side.
Okay. Keep going, gamer. But get closer to the beach, bro.
No, actually, stay there. I'm coming.
Alright, stop. Wait for him. You see us?
Come back.
Hey, go back that way.
Right here.
Hey, we could take the jet skis and cut all 4 of us.
Yeah, come on. Yes, it's come on.
Hey, let's take the jet skis. Yeah, jet skis.
Come on. And cut off. Damn, come
Let's go.
on, bro.
Everyone take a jet ski.
Go. Take the boat if you can. Damn, white game, I think you go. White gamer. Gamer. Oh.
Hey man, it's a beautiful day outside. See what's going on today. Shit. I'm gonna take some shit. Oh yeah, it's kinda dry. Hey, what's up? Wait, my bro? Hold on, you know where they at? Alright, perfect. I guess this is where? Anyone have have a Molotov? Oh. Go ahead, bro. Hey. Oh yeah, we finna burn this out.
Oh shit. If they say
It's
anything,
okay.
say my ultimate.
We're good. We're good. We're not gonna look suspicious. All right, ready?
Yeah.
He's here, right here. This is him.
Yeah.
This nigga's scary.
Ooh, he running. He running.
Yeah,
Nice.
nah, I'm bouncing out front line.
Bro, hop out on him.
Bouncing out front line, nigga.
Go get
Where
him. Go
is
get
he?
him.
Where is he?
Oh, they went in the crib.
Oh no, he's in the front. He's in the front. He's in the front.
He right here. He right here.
Oh, this guy really went in the crib.
He's scary for real.
Hey, they're all pulling up now.
They're all pulling up, right?
I'm clipping that shit.
Yeah, clip that shit.
Hey, get in.
All right, let's go. Hey, who? Yeah, that's Lord driving. Go ahead. Jump the fuck out of YouTube.
What's this stupid shit? Do not come up because we come here.
Mike!
I fucking hate this game, bro. I swear I hate this game. It's not even me. It's your fucking phone.
They buzzing the
Just
door,
ditch your
bro.
car. Just ditch your car in the back.
We in the crib. They buzzing at the door, bro.
We coming.
They buzzing at the door.
We coming right now. We coming.
Spin through him, you're gonna bounce at the crib and start shooting.
Yo, they can't get in the crib. They buzzing at the door though. That's crazy.
They just drove off. They just drove.
We'll shoot at him. We'll come and shoot at him.
They're here. Bro, I ran in that crib so fast, bro.
They're not even over here. They're not over here.
They just pulled over, bro.
They left? Alright, show.
They just pulled up.
They scared. They really pulled on.
That's crazy. Come on, we gonna spin that block.
Spin that block. Spin that block.
You gonna come pick me up for the street club?
Yo, AJ, you got Almans, bro.
Yeah, let me get my Honda.
What do you mean, bro? Nigga, you ran in the crib.
Why don't we just sit on their block? We can just sit on their block.
Let's go post up on that block. I'm gonna go,
Everybody just get a corner. Everybody just post up on one corner when we get on their block.
Oh, yo. Put your...
Yo,
Oh,
that
no,
nigga
no,
going
no.
fast as fuck.
Yeah, I know.
That nigga going 100.
How do I tell you I'm bouncing out?
Yeah, you bouncing
Right
out?
here.
Alright, yeah, facts. Yo, bro, we on feet with it, bro. We on feet with it. I'll say, yo, put the stoli. Nah, put the stoli in the spot that we know. Invading scenes. Oh, they shoot!
How? Wait, what?
They just shot the homies on the block. They just shot the homies on the block. They just shot the homies on the block.
Oh, I see him.
I don't know where he at.
In front. Is that them?
Bro, don't even worry about it. RP though. We gonna get our get back.
Man, I'm
RP
so
though.
confused.
They pulled up in the car, they shot and they drove off.
What that is, right?
This nigga already saw you.
Hell yeah, I told y'all.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And I caught 2 bodies.
You already?
Hell yeah.
Sniper and fucking YouTube was lacking in the middle of the street. Oh, they shooting. Yo, shoot up the tire.
Still in the same spot.
Right here.
in front. What the fuck?
They
Got
trying
that
to shoot me.
nigga.
Got one? Good shit. I'm going in the back.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah,
Alright, let's go.
The black one is me.
Yeah, I got you. Hey, shoot up these tires real quick.
Let that.
Alright, let's go. We
go.
out. Back to the V.
Oh, I got ran the fuck over. Sheesh, second body.
Never mind.
Come on.
They're coming to you. PD coming.
Come on. Hop in.
Get in whip. Hop in.
They don't know where we're at though. They don't know where we're at.
Nigga, the 911.
Yeah, yo, Evo, get out of there if you can, fam. I couldn't even get you. Oh. Yo, where are you, bro? I can spin back.
I'm tweeting it.
This nigga said I'm tweeting. Tweet later.
Hell no, I'm tweeting this shit right now, gang. The fucking adrenaline.
Evo, come on. Evo.